I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you another fried rice recipe because you guys been love all my easy recipes and noodles recipes and fried rice recipes, so why not share one more? I'm gonna probably share like 12 more, but this is just one of them, okay? Today I'm going to show you how to make spam and egg fried rice. Actually, Jacob said that this is like a spam musubi fried rice because it tastes like it, so let's get started. First, you need to cut spam into half-inch cubes. Today, I'm using Korean spam because in our family, we prefer Korean spam because it's less salty, less greasy, and also it's more meatier. And it has a really great flavor in it, so that's what we like to use, but you can use any spam that you have in your house. I know you have spam in your house. Costco spams are all sold out. I know you have it. This is why Jacob said it tastes like spam musubis, because I make my teriyaki sauce to season my spam and egg fried rice. So this is how I make my teriyaki sauce. So in a small mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, rice wine. If you don't have it, just skip it, it's okay. 2 tablespoons of mirin and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything well together until sugar has dissolved completely, and it's done. So easy, right? Crack 4 eggs in a mixing bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Beat it until it's well combined and set aside. I also chopped 3 cloves of garlic and 1 green onion, but we don't have a footage because we didn't film that because you guys saw me chopping garlic and onion all the time, so I didn't just film that part. So let's get into cooking right now. Heat a wok over high heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Pour the beaten egg and we are going to scramble to cook it evenly. And the egg is about 3/4 way settled down and cooked. We are going to remove from the wok and set aside. Now turn the heat back on to high heat and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add spam cubes and we are going to stir fry spam until nice and golden brown all around the edges, about 3 to 5 minutes. When the spam is nice and golden brown like this, go ahead and add chopped garlic and stir fry all together about a minute. Finally, add 6 cups of cold jasmine rice and the teriyaki sauce. And today, I didn't lie. It's actually day-old cold rice, half of it. Mix the spam and garlic, the rice and teriyaki sauce all together until rice and the spam and everything just coated with this teriyaki sauce evenly. And you know, the garlic is gonna add amazing flavor into this fried rice. So good. Now, go ahead and add the eggs. Break down the eggs into the rice and the spam so it will mix and break down and just like, all evenly, that's like everywhere. Eggs and spam and garlic and rice. Eggs and spam and garlic and rice. Oh, that's so good. I hope this is so good.
See her rocking those ripped up jeans like the cover of a magazine.
Now, turn off the heat. Stir in the chopped green onions. This is it.
Girl, you know you got it. Ain't no way to stop it. Girl, you make it easy. Oh, girl, you know you got it. Ain't no way to stop it.
Sprinkle some sesame seeds right on top because I just have to sprinkle with some sesame seeds on my food. I just cannot finish my food without sesame seeds on as a what do you call it, garnish. I just can't. And because Jacob requested, what about some kim right on top, shredded nori? I'm like, okay, come on, let's see.
Tell me all the flavors that you do that, especially when you add
My
the
serving spoon?
seaweed.
No, nice spoon.
When you add the seaweed, it's spam musubi and fried rice. Magic.
잘 먹겠습니다.
That's a serving spoon.
Woo!
You know what? How I like this?
I just dropped some.
I like with sriracha.
The teriyaki sauce in here is so good.
That's why it's so good with sriracha.
Kids will absolutely love this. My dad, I know. Adults definitely will too, but I mean, I just know the kids will. But and I like a little sriracha on my musubi, so this works out perfect.
A little bit. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Come on.
That's so good.
Egg is so sticky. The teriyaki sauce works amazing with spam. Because if you put only the soy sauce, the spam is salty already, so it's just salty fried rice. But when you add the teriyaki sauce, nice balance.
It's delicious fried rice.
Salty, sweet.
Okay guys, if you liked my spam fried rice recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas,
I'm Jake Longus.
Han Yong Kim.
and this is Asian at Home. And we will see you next time. Bye guys!
Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys, if you make my food, go ahead and take a picture. Tag me Seonkyoung Longas, okay? Love you.
Oh, girl, you know you got